GK Kids!
Happy Holi, a colorful day. Holi is here, hooray, hooray. It's such a bright and happy day. With colors red and green and blue. There's pink and orange, yellow too. The sun shines high up in the sky as laughing children run nearby. With little hands and smiling faces, they fill the streets and open spaces. Splash goes water in the air, colors flying everywhere. Giggles echo loud and clear. Holi comes just once a year. We throw soft glow so bright, turning day to rainbow light. On cheeks and noses colors stay, washing all our fears away. Water balloons go pop, pop, pop. No one wants the fun to stop. Friends all shout and dance around. Joy and music fill the ground. Mothers make sweet treats to share. Yummy smells are everywhere. Gujia laddu, sweet delight, making hearts feel warm and light. We hug our friends and say, be glad. No more angry, no more sad. Holi teaches us to care. Love and kindness we must share. Purple hands and faces green, funniest sight you've ever seen. Even elders join the play, laughing in a cheerful way. Drums go dull-lock, beat so fast. Happy moments that will last. Dancing feet and clapping hands, joy spreads wide across the lands. When the evening starts to fall, we wash away the colors all. But in our hearts they always stay, the happy shades of holiday. So let's be kind and spread good cheer, not just on Holi once